Did you know that automated project generation, eBuild, now has a new user interface? It includes an enhanced version view for libraries. With the improved visibility of library versions, it is now easier to keep track of published versions. It has an improved table and structure view. Use the table view for Eplan macros, configuration variables, scripts, and elements. Use the improved overview for structuring your projects. You can now find direct linking in the macro usage section. Allowing you to directly link to a macro or variable where it is also used. Enhanced functionality for elements in the typical group section. The direct jump to the selected element optimizes your workflow.